memo akwa Badwam TV Badwam eso memma afofie da panso na yamwa kwa basonko do Badwam TV so yadanite kotegwa ase enwuma hodo ya yede abromode edu so no eye kase ensam no edo so na yarahosam adankra enwotwede enu eja to mu hye ni nyina wo Accra New Town yede honsam no ebebromo na fe yarahosam so esiye ewo eye asin fosu empotamu ekura de asingwa so akra mfie mienu ne wato nana mo nsie do sansam no ne nsem na no pay wadaro mamede bro Adom TV Badwam kase shame live on Facebook/Adom TV oko Go TV a channel ne 119 DSTV 280 oko YouTube nso a search Adom TV 2 mi amesom wano pay midi ye fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die kwansitie se den nsam ni kyeremu ankasa etie ewodumja enwo ehare yenti enanei adan yanka behye dodo pa no entumi ankwankoba ne sa nanso de hye ye ni nyina mu no eya rahosam adankra nwotwe ade Accra New Town eja tomo ahye no drebe na esi yenra anopa no nduba ko empa mu honom a yamano boni kwadwomensa brampako ho etwaso.
Oh, if my file control say eja ato New Town ha in Tempara na station a free headquarters era shiko eba sino na mobile no mo hwesi dia onum tie na accessibility a problem hwe bebe a park here kai ni bebe a yele hosting akọ nti de bi mbrani mbrani na echi ankrofo se eja omusi omudan a omunsi in a way a ebe makwa ekwan adem a bibie na etimi aba ti ankrofo no nsi eja no spread no ya identify say eben Malata market so you say no it's a very strategic area on for so my ubia intina yabota any say yababo modern prevent fire no from spreading to such a strategic place inti you say janzi spreading just a fair for reinforcement inti station headquarters fair abelenki circle and a Flagstaff house emo mu na mo buy ebe boa ma itimi edumeja no inti the good thing is jano and spread anko market on and record human lives. See, I say she say obia the oka. See no emo say akwakito na enu diane. Intiasa na no investigation department no hwe nipa no na omo ehun say ampa akwala na say hwemu ebeye no eno be ma ehun say ampa sa akwala na di jan ba ya na say adefofro ene ma eja no ehase. Say
hwe za orekodo wa ha omanfo na wari yi wanzama na wape baby wazi boto na nwibire za wakwado ewo Accra New Town enyen kojo mensa abrampa na manziabo
asen dwaso ekro ye wa asen fosumansini mu mfimfi mantamu nyina di areho efise ya arehosam na asiebra edua ebu eto Accra mfie mienu eso ama ne wato na nanom nse do a odidin de amata bra na ohye ne maame ama ntiwa akire womkwafom from mani nsua eto enenam so ama arehosam we yesi Adom TV kase etwaso
omukwafum na nsuo ne kan omuhyefum ho ne baba ko hye nachi oba nachi ohye oba nachi ema omu apatase ena weza ni wokofa na taade ewo edua bi ho nti otisi ma wokon sa atanse mfenema na no aye den a nsuo ne to gidigidigidi nti otisi ma wokona na edua ne bui ena ehia wo mo nti ehia wo mo no esanse ne ba ne hye nachi nti edua no bo akola no a ohye kire ne ma entoma ne tofo ma akola nti mu pa
edua ne ware akola ne fie kire ema ne tofam nti atesport no na akola ne wi
ene edua no so eka maame ne sisi nti maame ne firi ne sisi ko ne fom de emu ayemle a si wo dia sabia doctor fo ehwe no
fum nti nsune ba no ono no so ayese wo ba fi ono ne ba kentwa ba ko 3 years na do se mechi wo wana ha ne dia no ebu nti oba ne buo na chi ki oye fast no chin ketwa no like then ne do se na chi no the one on answer no on form no o twene ne dia no be bo no ma me ne do se na chi ni nyina na dosene chini free na ma no so try pa but ketwa na no so kan hono 3 years no so e bi ane born kakra to on ma me na the hospital is here ba ketwa ne dey was free no me na call police station ko ye kisa ni police for no call am ko fa body na dey ba
Divisional Executive Council of Public Services Workers Union or share TUC Ghana say ede atudwa se womo maban no akosi 25th March wombeye ye kire de akire aban efise niema bi enhyeda nkoyie ye wosa aban ne tie womo aba ntino womo chechire mu die ntia sa ye kire no beba so 25th March Adom TV kase etosui.
Divisional Executive Council Adom Public Service Workers Union TUC Ghana NIA Division enkrata wodi betu dwamu and watchire mu se nienti a wonom asigina ye so benimbo so mede toso adununum afimpinu ene adununan mu wode wonade egu fom a wanya adwuma biom ni na agina se wonom hwe ne mu kwan se wobenya akwan pa wobfa so eye wonom adwuma se be ye beboa ama wonom adwuma ne wonom akasa wabrabo etumi akonkan wachire mu se wonom conditions of service any wonom allowances in sembia afimpinu ene adunu ba akumu wode kodan mpanyufo se wonhwenka ho asema wonom no besi ne yia no wonom ente mpanyufo enka eno da nchen ya wachefo boso meda na etoso adunu afimpinu ene adunu nan mu no wonom ene wo mpanyufo koye nhyiamu ya wonom ede kwatu dwase wonom hia approval of scheme of service ya wachire mu a eye enkrata bi ehu hia wonom adwuma pa ya no be kire akwan pa wonom be fa so aye wonom adwuma entete ya wose yede ma wonom succession management ene niam afufuro bi eka ho nanso enyade se wate mpanyinfo nka e wo sansem no so ho sansemi ene niam afufuro bebre eka ho ene nam so a ama wonom asigina yese sanse wonte mpanyinfo nka ntino wonom ede wonade egu fom kosi se sa niam anyina no mpanyinfo ebeye ama wonom enkrata yi edu kire mekwabena ya wo ye divisional chairman ene wonom trotrofo ena wonom nsa ehyasie.
Asen Central Constituency Chairman Demand PP Amanyoko ya takra amani ampon wabontrene se won ene mabunu bi a wonom ekukutua so womo bebo awuram akọ Economic and Organized Crime Office eye Ioko na womo akọkire de ntia mpanufo se ene asenfosu eye bia enkra ye wia womo ekokọ ye child trafficking ene banking fraud hopa na ekoso no okọ Ioko mpanufo ho no makirem de ntia womsusu se ho ene bia ekoso pa Adom TV etwaso
Ioko for the same report na ba ye di omo ho yawo say omo ye fi say omo ye institution like that of the state no that's omo to me yes sir publication na egu asenfo animase it's not like that edini ye person omo fa basis no mre no ma che say oh case ba ku ni mienu ni miensa ni ya chi nkofo ba ko ya chi bienu a omo nyina ya asenfo omo de yes sa dwumadi no na mo ye hu say okay ya yampa but it is not true.
I'm say child trafficking so
how can you say this oh krom ha have you ever heard of Sadian before? Say you obi koton obi anaso obi achi obi edina efa kwati kwaso edina akoba bi manakọ ye adwuma bi anakọ ye bibi. It has never happened in a scene before. Me dem nti bi da because report no there I will say a bogus report. A bogus reporter we don't have to accept it.
Eni nyina mu no chema buti nsoso ekasa
nipa na obeka za na wo se chiro mi ko adwuma sisi mi ko report mi de ko national security me ba ko fa no omodi say we share so onye di boye wonye coward na nye asam no awon kan ye do kra bia wo ma gofo din na gofo kra no o ma ye nti omo e bia yi awei ya nya npa do say ya o ba ye sa awei yi awei ye nya untum na kan trasa because krama ye wa kra ha no e bigger e bia o ka say chiri pa no wa kra na wo so situasi fusu me ne yogofo nya adwene china
afeda modi amadboyi ifra sinfusu ene bradum kase
Adom TV Badwam kase na uguso ehwe na Regional Center of Energy and Environmental Sustainability University of Energy and Natural Resources and World Bank Center for Excellence and so one more ehyiamu dwendwen efie numunu a wo mo ebaye no se de one mo adwuma etie ne niam ahodo a one mo aye ne dia eda wanim so ombetumi aye won hyiam de na se no ya mane boni ya wono to nkrafri buno mantemu ya Christian oforikuma ekọ ho a otwaso.
Regional Center of Energy and Environmental Sustainability, University of Energy and Natural Resources, one penny Professor Engineer Eric Ofosuentri, Edi one mono, Echirimu say, one botayepa and set a yinamahuaden, nebo edne ewo, or Mary Muno, or Badge Engineer Quampa, Obetsumi Aboa said the Beya, nebo no ebeba fum, Ochirimu say,
RCC, a World Bank Center of Excellence. Yawo system almost 5 years now. Yaya niema bebre. Any industry, any other academic institutions, ni ade niema bebre. Ejidi se 5 years no, as I see die achievements edi. Niema si ene so. Na afi so niema industry ni hunu adwuma yaye. Ye ni omo ana aye. Say no hunu ye adwuma fa ye. Ede ebe na ye betimi aye ama na improve. Ye so ye challenges aye wo e de to industries na nimu a. Na omo timi ahwese omo betimi ama ya adwenkyera ye betimi de akoye nima. Energy wo Ghana is very expensive. It affects our industrialization drive because obi be factory na energy bo edia ontimi compete with obi or China. E kwan be nso ne be fa so a energy bo be ba fam wo Ghana. It is very very important. Ebema obi abetimi arashia ba Ghana has oba be establish a factory. The reason why Nkofo dwane ko China is China it was very cheap energy and cheap labor.
And penny for that whole teaching hospital, Volta region, say, what the other center to be name one more na one a year mother units and in neonatal intensive care unit. So they bet me de about your manwa, one new abusumia was a woman, yani a woman, you bet me de honor, I won't year, don't cassie it was.
Places they are sleeping are not good. Some of them, their babies are staying with us for 3 months, 8 weeks, 6 weeks. And all this comes with them hovering about or moving in and out from hospital. If you have a place for them, a place they can call a hostel, that they can also attend to some basic things, it will be useful. And we hope that that would also add to the quality of care we are offering to them here. So it's a passionate appeal to corporate Ghana. We'll be very grateful if we all come on board and make this dream a reality. Tissues come in very handy. Infection prevention is key in care of preterms. And it is one of those reasons why the incubator is going to be helpful, and then it is helping us reduce our mortality as well.
Kwame Sefakan NT Kokoko Charities. Wani amani boni etwetwe nkomo. Ekire ne ehye ne nkranti a wode saa niam yi ekodom ayaresabia honomo na waka to aso se hostel ayaresabia ne se wo pe no wonom bedwene ho.
Yeah, the incubator number 3 Abaha. And that makes our total donation of 55. And we're proud as Kokoko Charities to say, with this donation at the whole teaching hospital, this is incubator number 55. And that makes 11 incubators at the whole teaching hospital. We're proud of what we have done. We're happy that we are able to, through kind donations from companies, individuals, family, friends, are doing this project. So 55 down, 45 to go. Yes, 100. Yes, they made an appeal for the mothers who carry preterm children or who are mothers of preterm children. They want a dormitory for them. It is not part of our project, but we'll think about it.
Ladyship Justice Angelina Mensah Humia, they are distressed to ADR mediators. And I'm Jina Fono and it was one more pa, Juma one more year and woman is sorted. Into one round one to one more and Fred Jumanumo say. Womusika samde mantem nanso ahya woro mo bo nyom beye bia woro mala wansan won sabe kan o hariso na wadwuma no a wo ye de sumo my Ghana no akoso awo ho no wo mo be ya adom kase etoaso.
Your role cannot be swept under the carpet. We appreciate your selfless contribution to the settlement of cases. We stress on your active participation in the mass mediation exercise, which will take place in a couple of weeks. If the trial judges and magistrates make the referrals, but mediators do not show up, what will happen? The exercise will be, of course, 90 degrees. We do not want to get there. So mediators, let us be active during the ADR week so that we will help the court users because we want to avoid litigation or disputants.
Supervising High Court Judge, His Lordship Justice Kofi Akruwa, Ekasa Ujadata no aseno, and wadi to manfo nyina animu se menteme ho ase ene ntawantawa bi asia omomodian so befa ADR kwan so e de asiesie ni nyina esan se wonom bra ya wodi e de asiesie asem no enchere e na afen so e kakese bia enim.
The church am kwan efa so ADR matters emra e wo ho the church am na yesem say take advantage of that na release backlog I wo court no na ye nyina e basa e betumi aboa ma asem peace aba o man mu na nsɛm wɔ so a na ehia sɛ twi twan sɛ deɛ no na ma edi a na ebetumi aboa no nti mu take advantage na monye ma court nsɛm atwi twan 2 years 3 years.
Kwawu Easter 2024 Paragliding Festival no yapa ho entoma bra Ghana Tourism Authority womoko Kwawu Abene ye no wo Kwawu East mensin mu wo poe mantemu ekopa ho ntoma.
Easter Paragliding ana festival no ebe so ye shall say from 29th March which is Friday na ya wie no 1st April tieto nsa frɛ obia se onfa ni nchire Kwawu na omra not just to participate but also to fly the paraglide. We are seeing in Africa ha in Africa ha South Africa ni Kenya nkoa ne omo ewo sa paragliding to West Africa they be ni baby a Kwawu is privilege. We will camp paraglide na baby a ye ko ene Kwawu.
Isaac Ejapon Kwawu East mensini krache ono so ne kasa yemu ene wadi tu dwa se ade ba ko aya na hadwene ewo Kwawu Easter afididadie ni mu se de ya na dan bo edne ne senti wodi ato Ghana Tourism Authority animu se woni hotel wuranom enkasa se be ya wonum betote wonum edan bo so na mamanfo dodo no a abakro ni mu abeji wonum ani Easter bre.
Ghana Tourism Authority be engage hotel owners no na ya hwe okwampa ya befa so to make sure say prices no be moderate. Let me attract a lot of people into the Kwawu Mountains for the Easter festivities. Bueno, sebe ebi ametai kan say ade a ban enya nka ban fa ne nsanka.
Maminyire no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na be makwan na no pay wadaro ma mediation na ya fofie da wonko ba bia nti mesro koso ma afidie no na ha na ne ye ba be som mu yie ne ya som sompa medidi afia amankwa tamaklo mahofade savida bo rekente won madaro ma ene na wo mde me kofra mantamu nti ne no mewuramia kasanso medie mu nti se ye ofe na wo pewe bi ene ne keka ka ho bia dia savida bo rekente o me ne kama e dia ma sompa hima Her Excellency Lordina Mahama, happy birthday. Yami shao nyamnyo kese me kwaba ma ba wishu ye wa obapa yamenyo kese. Ya kwaba na fe di aka no. Ya di atoso.